Tailor Brands LLC review. Usage experience. Links to products mentioned in this video are included in the description below. Tailor Brands LLC formation service is designed for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners looking for a quick and hassle-free way to legally establish their business. The platform simplifies LLC registration by guiding users through an automated process, handling state filings, and offering essential add-ons like EIN registration, operating agreements, and compliance monitoring. One of Tailor Brands' standout features is its all-in-one approach. Beyond LLC formation, it provides branding tools, including a logo maker, business card designs, and a website builder, making it ideal for startups that want to establish both their legal entity and their brand presence simultaneously. Additionally, it offers business bank account setup, domain registration, and trademark services, further streamlining the process. Tailor Brands is best suited for individuals who prioritize convenience and want everything managed from a single platform. The pricing is competitive, with basic LLC formation available at an affordable rate, though additional services can increase costs. It's a strong option for those looking to get their business up and running quickly without dealing with legal complexities. However, businesses needing advanced legal customization or extensive state-specific compliance support might find more comprehensive solutions elsewhere. User feedback highlights ease of use, a modern interface, and efficient customer support as key advantages. While not the cheapest LLC service, its bundled approach makes it a good value for business owners who also need branding solutions. If you've used Tailor Brands LLC or are considering it, share your experience in the comments. Check the links in the description for more details.